okay, Clancy? I can't remember the last time I beat you here.
I'm fine. It's just my get-up and go-kart. Oh! Julius? Julius, are you okay?
Totally. That was one big sneeze, Clancy. Seems like you got a case of the sniffles.
No, I don't. I feel fine. See? Perfectly fine.
Hang in there, Clancy. My retractor ladder will help you out. Are you sure you're okay? You seem pretty run down.
I told you I'm fine.
What's wrong, Clancy?
I think Clancy has a cold.
No, I don't. I'm just allergic to wearing bonnets.
I'll be the judge of that. I've dreamed of being a doctor my whole life. It's my destiny. Time for a checkup, Clancy, my boy. Now take a big breath. Just what I thought.
What is it? Hey, is it serious?
Clancy has a bad case of sniffleitis. And believe me, it is nothing to sneeze about.
What's nothing to sneeze about?
Clancy has a cold.
Clancy has a cold? Hi, germ alert. Hi, germ alert. We need tissues. Lots and lots of tissues. And hand sanitizer. We need to keep our hands clean.
What's wrong, Worry Bear?
You have a cold. That's what's wrong.
No, I don't. Okay, maybe I do. Thanks.
Sorry you're not feeling well, Clancy. Oh, I wish there was something we could do to help with your cold.
A cold? Eureka! I know what we can do. We can go visit Shakabrah Yeti. He knows everything there is to know about all things cold. To the Hall of Doors!
I think that's a different kind of cold, Julius. Julius?
How's Ice-Laska today?
Better brace yourselves.
Dudettes, we're shaking.
We thought you might be able to help us with a problem. You see, Clancy here has a...
Uh-oh.
A cold?
Yeah, how did you know?
Call it a hunch. The best way to get rid of a cold is to get lots of rest. And bundle up.
See? Told you guys he knew all about colds. Thanks, Shakabrah.
No sweat. See ya!
Shakabrah said to bundle you up, Clancy.
Sorry about spilling smooshberries on the couch.
That's okay.
I brought you some pillows, Clancy.
Thanks. Can I skateboard just a little?
I know you want to do stuff, but...
You need to rest, Clancy. Remember what the Yeti said.
I could read you a story. That might help you relax.
Oh, yeah, I love stories.
This story is about pirates. One day, a pirate named Redbeard sailed the 7 seas.
Matey, out the hatches, shiver me timbers.
Clancy, you need to rest, remember?
Arg. But we'd be sailing into a good part. I can feel it. Keep going, Worry Bear. Yo ho ho. Ahoy! Ahoy! Achoo!
This is not working.
Oh.
Clancy, you need to rest.
Here, Rocky will help you relax.
I'm feeling better already.
Sparkle-tastic. Dr. Sheree has just the thing to help you settle down and feel better, Clancy. A nice bowl of sparkle noodle soup.
Really? Thanks.
See? A nice, relaxing bowl of soup will make you feel all warm and calm inside. My work here is done.
Hey, I'm gonna set a new world record for noodle slurping. Yeehaw! Get along, little noodle! All right! Sheree, I'm gonna need more soup.
Clancy, you're supposed to rest.
What are we going to do?
If only the box had a nice, comfy bed for Clancy to fall asleep in.
Eureka! To the invention dimension! Ha ha ha!
It's inventing time. It's inventing time.
Ta-da! The Relaxo bed! Hop in, Clancy. Now, we just turn the dial to, let's try 5. And it'll rock you back and forth. Relaxing, huh?
Oh, rocking! It is relaxing. I want to relax even more! Oh, whoa! Oh, yay! Whee!
This is not relaxing. How will we ever get him to sleep?
I'm not sure. Who knew relaxing could be such hard work?
Maybe we could tire Clancy out by making him run a marathon or climb a mountain or...
We could sing him a lullaby.
Ping, you're a genius!
Rest now, Clancy. Rest your head. Time to relax in your bed. Think of clouds and counting sheep. Soon you will be fast asleep. Guys, it worked! Guys?
Huh? Wow, do I feel better!
Glad you're feeling better, Clancy.
Me too! All that rest seems to have done the trick.
Now I feel kind of yucky.
You must be getting a cold. But don't worry, I know what to do. Sometimes the best inventions are the ones that help friends feel better.